Okay, enough of the nonsense. Let's get into the charts. Guys, today is weekend, so I'm going to be talking about the long-term time frame. And at the end of the video, like usual, we will be doing trade possibilities from the current price action. Now, on the daily time frame, there are two scenarios we are going to discuss today. Number one being the bullish scenario, number two being the bearish scenario. The most likely bullish scenario at the moment is this scenario here. We have a 5-wave structure unfolding where we are in a 4th wave at the moment. If the 4th wave is in at this low here, we would be targeting $83,870 for the top of the 3rd wave before another purple 4th wave and then a purple 5th wave. This would be the target for the bull run, or the top of the bull run for this cycle. At the moment, it's sitting about from $120,000 to $140,000. But now for the bearish scenario, we have this scenario here. This scenario says that we have a expanding flat structure from the highs here in the last cycle. So in the last cycle, we hit $69,400, and we are now coming down in an A, up in a B, taking the high of B, and then down in a C wave. If I show you the education side of things, we can see this is an expanding flat. Let me just go to the 4-hour time frame. This is an expanding flat here. An A wave is made. B wave takes the low of the A wave at targeting the 1.236 to the 1.38, and then the C wave expands higher than the high of the wave C. And we can see that here on the bearish scenario. If we go to the daily time frame and look at the bearish scenario, we can see that here a flat structure, very possible, targeting at minimum the $10,821 level. That would be devastating for Bitcoin, taking us back to lows we have not seen before. But remember, this is the least likely scenario between the two. Now, if we look at more recent time frames, we are going to talk about two scenarios here today, the bullish and bearish scenario on the 4-hourly time frame. On the 4-hourly time frame, we are still in this double WXY corrective structure. Now, if the WXY is not complete, we go lower. If the WXY is complete, we will only go up from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, targeting that $83,000 region as we just discussed on the longer term time frames. Now, if we zoom in, we have put in a wave 1 and now are coming down in a wave 2. Now this wave 2 has seen quite a bit of a sell-off in the last few days. So let's break this down further. If we go to the 30-minute time frame, we can see even better. Here we have an A wave down in a leading diagonal. Now a leading diagonal says it is not impulsive. Wave 1 and wave 4 overlap, and we are now seeing a contracting leading diagonal. We have that in a wave A wave B targeting $68,300 to $67,000, and then after that a wave C. That would be the move down. Now in this wave, this purple wave B, we have another expanding flat. Remember, in Bitcoin, an expanding flat is the most common structure. So we have an A wave up, B wave not hitting the 1.618, even though it is deep into this target. Hitting the 1.618 makes it very, very unlikely. But an A wave up, B wave down, and now should over the weekend get a C wave up, and on Monday come crashing down in that larger C wave. Now, that would be the move down into this perfect 4th wave move, targeting this 1-to-1 at $58,025. Now that would be the move over the weekend. I think it is going to come up in this weekend, maybe hitting that $67,000 region. That would be quite a nice move of about 8% over the weekend. Now, on the bearish scenario, we still have this as our most likely bearish scenario here. On the 4-hour time frame, the WXY is not yet complete. WXY. And in this Y wave, we have another expanding flat. An A, B, C in blue. And in this blue B wave, we are seeing a general ABC correct structure, an A, B, C. That should target around that $77,000 level, taking the all-time highs, fooling everyone with this price action, thinking we are going all the way up, and then not, by crashing back down to around $49,000. Now, for trade possibilities in this price region. At the moment, on the 4-hourly time frame, we have been speaking about this wave 2 for the past weeks. So, we have this wave 1 up now and this wave 2 coming down. Longs from this wave 2 here is very, very good. These are good longs to take, preparing for that larger degree wave 3. So this would be a good long as we are in this target box here, hitting that $61,000, and I would invest in somewhat of a triangle, taking small positions at the top of the triangle and larger ones as we come down, with the stop loss sitting at the 886. The 886 is an incredibly rare target for a wave 2 and very, very unlikely. So stop losses sitting at $55,000. That would be the 4-hour trade. Now on the 1-hour time frame, as there is a B wave involved, I would not take a trade here. If we do indeed find some resistance at the 0.618 level, that would be quite a good short, as things would start to become oversold again. So overbought again. So we have the A wave down, B wave short from this box here into that C wave move to the downside. Then on the 15-minute time frame, as there are two B waves involved, B wave in orange, B wave in pink, I would take no trade. Just trade the hourly and the 4-hourly time frames for now. But thank you so much, guys, for watching. I won't be releasing a video tomorrow as it is Sunday, and it will probably be a very, very slow day. But I'll be back with another video on Monday, and hopefully my voice from being sick will be better by then. If you want to get extra updates throughout the day, we post lots of updates in our Discord every day, a morning, midday, and night update with all the trade possibilities posted, like this one you can see here, like this one too, with a trades list with all the trades taken. But thank you so much for watching. It's been Max Trades Crypto. Cheers, guys.